फीस भी हमको नहीं दिखा।
इनवाइटेड गिफ्ट का यहाँ लगा देंगे, ये बोल रहे कि लगा दो।
नहीं मत लगा, हो गया इनवाइटेड, सब तो इनवाइटेड है, कौन लगा?
तो किस किस से चिपका है अब ये बताना।
ये दो बाकी रहेंगे, दो तो रह तो नहीं है ना अब, नहीं है, ये चिपका दो।
नहीं मेरे को नंग लग दिया दे दो आप को वो
आई दी जाफर चक्र बाबू नहीं पूरा
सत्य था
नती क्या वो भीतरे भाई जाफर चक्र बड़ा
ada isi pun berarti kiat mengai saja.
promotion nya kalah chakra basi
Semua sangat low ni sebelum selo tu.
no no saya
Isi memang tak mengai. Satu satunya. Masuk biasa kok. Sambil.
बाढ़ देखनी है मैं तो सर वहीं पे रह रहा हूँ ऐप में सामान नहीं सर बच गया सर सामान हमने रात को ही उठा के
मैंने देखा वो तो वीडियो आ गया उसमें ये रास्ता को और आगे बताते कि साइड चली जाएगी
well let's come to have video उन्होंने अरेंज किया खाना तो हमने किया
लेकिन किया तो है ना
बोला कि फाइट देखो फायर देखो
Jangan nanti ibu hari lagi tu punya apa? Punya nasi. Ayo kecil lagi.
saya बना
पूरा लेना तो 600 का हॉस्टल बनाने के लिए बता
That could have been better. लास्ट वाला अभी सर अभी भी आपने अप्लाई किया
Number tara mari yaw. Pansin ba?
karena hal dengan itu karena lihat sekolah itu
서울으로 가는 거
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, our esteemed chief guest, Shri Thongnaujam Basanta Kumar Singh, Honorable Minister, Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur has arrived. I request everyone to kindly welcome Sir with a huge round of applause. I request everyone to please settle down. We'll begin the program. हम खुद से ही नाप लेते हैं ऊंचाई आसमानों की, परिंदों को कभी तालीम नहीं दी जाती उड़ानों की। महकना और महकाना काम है खुशबू का, लेकिन खुशबू कभी कद्रदानों की मोहताज नहीं होती। राष्ट्रीय खेल विश्वविद्यालय इम्फाल मणिपुर के 7वीं स्थापना दिवस समारोह की मनमोहक सभा में आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning everyone. Subprabhat Khurumjari. I, Dr. Debla Chanu.
And I, Dr. Tumtrichan Raman, with immense pleasure welcome you all to the 7th Foundation Day of the National Sports University Manipur, and I wish everyone a happy Foundation Day. On behalf of National Sports University, I extend a warm and hearty welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Thongnaujam Basanta Kumar Singh, IPS retired, Honorable Minister Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur, for your gracious presence at today's program. I extend my warm welcome to the President of today's program, Honorable Vice Chancellor, officiating Madam Professor Usha S. Nair, Registrar Dr. L. Dibamani Singh. Also, I extend my warm welcome to Madam Zamthai Nyang Thomte, Deputy Finance Officer, who has joined us online. I also further extend my warm welcome to Dr. Shyam Sundarat, Dean Students Welfare, National Sports University, our invited guests and dignitaries who have joined us, students of National Sports University, National Sports Academy, Manipur, to this auspicious morning and making this already pleasant morning more lovely.
Ladies and gentlemen, to begin the program, may I have the privilege to invite on stage the chief guest of today's program, Shri Thongnaujam Basanta Kumar Singh, IPS retired, Honorable Minister of Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur, on the stage. I would also like to invite on stage the President of today's program, Professor Usha S. Nair, Madam, Honorable Vice Chancellor officiating of the National Sports University, Manipur. I would also like to invite on stage the Registrar of National Sports University, respected Sir Dr. Dibamani Singh. Last but not the least, I would like to cordially invite on stage the pride of Manipur, the pride of India, the Olympians of Manipur who have joined us for this beautiful morning. May I invite on stage the legendary Shri Khetrimayum Thoiba Singh, Summer Olympics South Korea, 1988. He represented the country. I also take the privilege of inviting on stage Madam Namairakpam Kunjarani Devi, who represented India in the Athens Olympic Games 2004. Madam is also a recipient of the Padma Shri Award. I also take the privilege of inviting on stage Srimati Ngangbam Sonia Devi, Olympian 2012 Summer Olympics, London. I also take immense pride in welcoming and inviting on stage the craftsman, the Dronacharya awardee, the pride of Manipur, Shri Laishangthem Ibomcha Singh on the dais. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for all our esteemed dignitaries. We'll be shortly joined by Shri Mayanglambam Bimoljit Singh, Arjuna awardee 2012, and also Shri Kumari Naurem Roshibina Devi, Arjuna awardee 2023 in a while. To proceed further with the program, we'll take a moment to show our gratitude and felicitate the guests on the dais. We'll first felicitate the chief guest of today's program, Shri Thaunaujam Basanta Kumar Singh, IPS retired, Honorable Minister of Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur. And to do the honor, may I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor Madam, Professor Usha S. Nair Ma'am, to please do the honor. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, sir. We would also like to felicitate the president of today's program, the Honorable Vice Chancellor officiating of National Sports University. And for that, may I invite on stage Dr. Amitra Sen Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Physical Education and Sports. He is also the extramural director of the university. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, sir. We would also like to felicitate respected Registrar of the National Sports University, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh. And for that, may I invite on stage Mr. Kaisham Ravi Shankar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Coaching. Thank you so much, sir. To show our gratitude to Sir Ketrimayum Thoiba Singh, may I invite and request the Registrar of National Sports University to please felicitate and do the honor. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Shri K.S. Thoiba Singh. Thank you so much, sir. Moving ahead, we would like to show our gratitude to Kumari Namairakpam Kunjarani Devi, Madam. And for that, may I invite on stage Dr. Arijit Chakraborty, Assistant Professor, Department of Exercise Physiology and Nutrition on the dais. A huge round of applause for Madam. We are truly thankful to Madam for her time and presence. Moving ahead, we'd like to take a moment to felicitate yet another personality on the dais, Srimati Ngangbam Sonia Devi, Chanu, I beg your pardon. And for that, I would like to invite on stage Dr. Kuldeep Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Psychology. A huge round of applause for Madam Sonia Chanu. Thank you so much, Madam. Thank you, sir. Last but not the least, the pride of Manipur, the craftsman, Shri Laishangthem Ibomcha Singh. We'd like to take a moment, sir, to felicitate and show our gratitude for your immense contribution in the field of sports. And for that, may I invite on stage Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath, Dean Students Welfare, National Sports University. थैंक यू सो मच सर. किसी भी काम को आरंभ करने के पहले परमपिता परमात्मा का नाम लेते हैं. आज के इस कार्यक्रम को आगे ले जाते हुए मैं आज के गणमान्य अतिथियों से आग्रह करूंगी कि वे विद्या की देवी माँ शारदा के आगे दीप प्रज्वलन करें और प्रार्थना करें कि उनकी कृपा हम सब पर बने रहे. Ladies and gentlemen, for that, may I request our respected chief guest, Shri Thaunaujam Basanta Kumar Singh, IPS retired, Honorable Minister, Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur, the President of today's program, Honorable Vice Chancellor of National Sports University, Professor Usha S. Nair, Madam, and all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly light the lamp.
Mother, we pray for your blessings with all humility. Give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization.
Thank you, all the dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take a moment and have the privilege to invite on stage another guest, another star of Manipur on the dais, Kumari Naurem Roshi Binadevi, Arjuna Awardee 2023. A huge round of applause for Madam. And we would like to show our gratitude to Madam and felicitate her. And to do the honor, may I invite on stage Dr. Karen Harish Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Exercise Physiology and Nutrition. Thank you so much, Madam, for joining us. तू स्वर की दाता है, तू ही वर्णों की ज्ञाता, तुझ में ही शीश, हे शारदा मैया, दे अपना आशीष. अब मैं राष्ट्रीय खेल विश्वविद्यालय के हमारे प्रिय छात्रों से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे सरस्वती वंदना प्रस्तुत करें और देवी से आशीर्वाद लें. मैं सभी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कृपया प्रार्थना के लिए वे अपने स्थानों पर खड़े हो जाएं. I request everyone to kindly rise on their places for the Saraswati Vandana.
या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिवी देवै सदा संविता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्म विचार सार परमा सारां जगद्वापिनीं वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां चाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्वाटिकमालिकाविधदतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दितां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्.
Thank you, students. You may all be seated. Thank you. To proceed further with the program, may I now cordially invite our respected Registrar, National Sports University, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Distinguished chief guests, respected Vice Chancellor, Olympians, Arjun awardees, Dronacharya awardees, invitees, teaching and non-teaching colleagues, and student friends. I would like to extend my warmest greetings and wish everyone a happy Foundation Day. It is an honor to welcome Sri Thaunaujam Basantakumar Singh, Honorable Minister of Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur, as our chief guest. We are grateful for your presence on this auspicious day. Welcome you, sir. It is an honor to welcome our own esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor Usayas Nair, who presides over today's program. Madam, your leadership inspires us all. Welcome you too. I also extend, and we are deeply privileged to have with us Sri Laisang Them Ibomsa Singh, a distinguished recipient of Dronacharya Award in boxing in 2010. Your unwavering support has inspired countless athletes to strive for excellence and realize their full potential. We extend to you our warmest welcome. We are deeply honored to have in our midst a galaxy of sports stars, Sri Ketrimayam Thoiba Singh, hockey Olympian, Seoul Olympic 1988, Padma Shri Namirakpam Kunjarani Devi, weightlifting Olympian, Athens Olympics 2004. Srimati Ngangpam Sonia Sanu, weightlifting Olympian, London Olympic 2012. And Kumari Naurem Roshibina, Wushu Arjun Awardee 2023. Sri Mayang Lambam Bimoljit Singh, Wushu Arjun Awardee 2012. Your extraordinary achievements serve as a beacon of inspiration for all of us. We extend a warm welcome to all esteemed members of the University Executive Council, Academic and Activity Council, and Finance Committee, Board of Sports Studies, and Anti-Ragging Committee of the University, as well as our legal advisor, who graced this occasion with their presence to celebrate the 7th Foundation Day of the University. With immense admiration and affection, we welcome the commissioners, secretaries, and head of the departments of the different departments of Government of Manipur, registers, directors of higher education institutions, and other invitees and sympathizers on this auspicious occasion. We extend a warm welcome to the secretaries and presidents of the different sports federations, sports association, the members and the treasurers, secretaries of the Manipur Olympic Association, and the members from the University Founding Association from Kautruk. We feel truly fortunate to have you all in this occasion. Once again, I extend my warmest wishes to everyone on this joyous celebration. Happy Foundation Day. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your warm and gracious welcome address.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to take a moment to felicitate yet another personality on the dais, Shri M. Bimoljit Singh, who is an Arjuna awardee, and to show our gratitude and to felicitate the sports star of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, may I invite Dr. M. Surchan Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Physical Education and Sports. Thank you, sir. झूमे झूमे ये नज़ारे, झुके स्वागत में हर दाल है, मिले आज हम सारे, कैसे गौरव भरी बात है। देवियों और सज्जनों, अब आप सभी के सामने राष्ट्रीय खेल विश्वविद्यालय के छात्राएं स्वागत गीत प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
check. Hello, check. Hello, hello. कैसे गौरव भरी बात है झूमे झूमे ये नजारे ओ, भावों की माला लेकर हम स्वागत सभी का करें मन में यही है इच्छा हम स्वर्ग को हासिल करें भावों की माला लेकर हम स्वागत सभी का करें मन में यही है इच्छा हम स्वर्ग को हासिल करें उस सब के लिए कितने सपने सजे ये सितारों भरी शाम है झूमे झूमे ये नजारे सबके स्वागत में हर हाल है मिले आज हम सारे कैसे गौरव भरी बात है झूमे झूमे ये नजारे बसंत ऋतु का पहला चल हो बसंत ऋतु का पहला चल हो साथिया रे साथिया साथिया रे साथिया कितने धर्मों की भारत में कलियां खिली वरमाला बनी एक है झूमे झूमे ये नजारे झुके स्वागत में हर लाल है मिले आज हम सारे कैसे गौरव भरी बात है झूमे झूमे ये नजारे झूमे झूमे ये नजारे झूमे झूमे ये नजारे थैंक यू
A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. I thank our dear students for such a melodious performance and setting the tone for the event. Each year, as we commemorate Foundation Day, we are reminded to look back on the humble beginnings and the journey of growth and success that has unfolded since the inception of this university. Today, taking this opportune moment where the National Sports University family is joined by these eminent personalities and gems of sports as we gathered with the esteemed guests and members of National Sports University, we have the privilege of unveiling the volume 2 of the Abhyas, which is an annual publication newsletter of the university. For that, I respectfully invite the chief guests and other esteemed guests to present before all of us this special edition of the newsletter Abhyas Volume 2. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The Abhyas Volume 2 has been released, and this edition of the newsletter highlights all the events, the achievements of our faculty members and our dear students. And it contains all the snippets of all the events which was held in the academic year. I would also like to take a moment to invite the team who has worked hard tirelessly and has made it possible for each one of us. May I have on stage the team, Dr. Arijit Chakraborty, who served as the convener for the newsletter. May I also invite on stage Dr. Kuldeep Singh, Bishwajit Kumukcham, Dr. Bishwajit Kumukcham, Dr. Tumchi Chan Raman on the dais, and also the students who have helped and who are part of the team for a group photograph. I would like to invite on stage Renu Salam, who is a member of the team, Mr. K.H. Sanjoy Singh, Mr. Manish Raj, Ms. Ngathem Paraima, Ms. Naurem Zenika, Mr. Khairakbam Kapil, and Mr. Manish Nath, who is an alumni who has rendered his service and helped in making this a success for each one of us. Ladies and gentlemen, next we proceed to an important segment of today's program, which involves presenting Momento to our esteemed guests. Before presenting a Momento to our chief guest as a token of gratitude, I would like to take a moment to share a few words about our Honorable Minister. Sir has been elected as an MLA 4 times from the Nambol Assembly constituency in Bishnupur district, Manipur. Sir obtained his Master of Arts degree in 1987 from the St. Stephen's College, which is affiliated with Delhi University, and later completed his LLB in 2002 at Manipur University. In the year 2022 Manipur Legislative Assembly election, he secured victory as a candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He has a background in the Indian Administrative Service and is currently serving as the Minister of Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur. And to present the Momento to our esteemed chief guest, may I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor Madam, Professor Usha S. Nair, to please do the honor. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you, sir. भारत के उत्तर पूर्वी कोने में स्थित छोटे से राज्य मणिपुर ने कई विश्व स्तरीय खिलाड़ियों को पैदा किया है और देश को गौरवान्वित किया है, और ये उल्लेखनीय है कि मणिपुर के 19 खिलाड़ियों ने अब तक ओलंपिक खेलों में देश का प्रतिनिधित्व किया है एवं कई खिलाड़ियों ने विभिन्न अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रतियोगिता में भारत का ध्वज को फहराया है.
Which is a huge margin considering that Manipur is such a tiny state. Tiny, yet powerful, and hence often doted as the powerhouse of sports in the country. This year, we would like to honor some of the Olympians, Dronacharya awardee, and Arjuna awardees from Manipur as a mark of respect and with the hope that it will inspire and motivate our students to work towards success. We would like to take this time to honor them for their outstanding achievements in the field of sports. The first person that we would like to honor is Shri Hitrimayum Thoiba Singh. He is an Indian field hockey player who represented India at the Olympics and Asian Games. He played as a left winger and was known for his speed and stamina. Shri Thoiba Singh took to hockey early on in life and soon found his natural talent in the game. He was a member of the Indian field hockey team in the 1988 Summer Olympics held in South Korea, which India came in the 6th place. Other than Olympics, he represented India at Asia Cup 1985, 1989, Asian Games 1990, and several other years. One of the finest hockey players in India, Shri Thoiba Singh, was elected as the president of the Manipur Hockey Federation and was also a selector for Hockey India. Prior to this, he had also coached the Imphal Rangers in the Premier Hockey League. Presently working as Deputy General Manager, Food Corporation of India, Regional Office, Imphal, Manipur. To honor Sri Hetri Mayum Thoiba Singh, I would like to request the Honorable Chief Guest to present the Momento to honor Sir for his exceptional contribution in the field of sports. Thank you, sir.
The next personality that we would like to honor is an Indian weightlifter. She's among the most decorated Indian sportswomen in weightlifting. Madam Kunjarani Devi. Madam Kunjarani Devi was born on 1st March 1968 in Imphal. She started taking interest in sports while still in high school in 1978. By the time she finished her graduation in Imphal, weightlifting had become her first choice. Madam was a recipient of the Arjuna Award in 1990 and shared the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in the year 1996-1997. In the same year, she also won the KK Birla Sports Award. She also got her name registered in the Limca Book Personal of the year 1998 and many more prestigious national awards. She was also awarded President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service and Police Medal for Meritorious Service in 2015. The Government of India awarded her the civilian honor of Padma Shri in 2011 in honor of her immense contribution in sports. She has represented India in Athens Olympic Games 2004 and finished in the 4th position. A huge round of applause for Madam, and to honor Madam, may I request the chief guest of today's program, Honorable Minister of Education, Law and Legislative Affairs.
The next personality that we would like to honor is Srimati Ngambam Sonia Chanu. She is an Indian woman weightlifter. She won the silver medal in the women's 48 category at the 2010 Commonwealth Games, Delhi. She also represented India in 2012 Summer Olympics, London. She secured the 7th position. It is our pleasure to acknowledge some of her most significant accomplishments. She also secured silver medal at the Commonwealth Games in New Delhi 2010 and also the bronze medal in the Senior Asian Championship at South Korea 2012. To honor Srimati Ngambam Sonia Chanu, I would like to request the Honorable Chief Guest to present the Momento to honor Ma'am for her exceptional contribution in the field of sports.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. The next personality that we would like to honor is Shri Laishangthem Ibomcha Singh, the craftsman and well-decorated coach who has churned an assembly line of world champions. We have heard a lot about him as a coach, but today I would like to take a moment to highlight some of his achievements as a player. Sir was a champion in the Manipur state from 1981 to 1986, senior national boxing champion Jamshedpur, and he won bronze medal. National Games 1985 in New Delhi, where he won bronze medal. Senior national boxing champion, again bagged a bronze medal. In senior national, he participated in various championships in the year 1982, 83, 84. Referred to as Oja, a Meitei honorific, Sir has produced 60 international medalists, and they include the names like Mary Kom, Sarita Devi, late Dinku Singh, Suranjoy, and the list goes on. Oja has a knack of spotting talents and creating ordinary to top-level boxers. For Sir, producing world-class boxers is a hobby. So close is he to his wards that he remembers the birthdays of most of them. He even cooks food for the needy with his family's help. Sir was earlier associated with the Nagaland police and was in the army for a few years simply because of the love of the game of boxing. Sir wanted to be a footballer but switched to boxing after his brother presented him with the boxing gloves. Oja moved to Imphal to teach boxing for beginners in the early 1980s. Later, he was conferred the Dronacharya Award in 2010 by the President of India. A die-hard Muhammad Ali fan, Oja Ibomja believes a coach's success lies in the ability of his wards to outshine him. Sir gives training with utmost sincerity because he believes sports for a Manipuri is a religion. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have the privilege to invite and request the chief guest of today's program to please honor the great Dronacharya awardee, Sri Laishangthem Ibomcha Singh.
The next personality whom we would like to honor is Sri Mayang Lambam Bimoljit Singh. He is a man who believes in hard work, determination, and discipline to be a true sports person. He is well known for his skill, his performance, and his achievements in national as well as international arenas. Sri Bimoljit won nearly 40 gold medals in district level, state level, northeast level national championship between 1998 to 2001. Mr. Bimoljit is also a 2 times Asian bronze medalist and 2 times national gold medalist. To honor Sri Bimoljit Singh, I would humbly request the Honorable Chief Guest to present the Momento to honor him for his exceptional contribution in the field of sports.
Thank you so much, sir. Last but not the least, the youngest on the dais, Miss Naurem Roshibina Devi is an Indian wushu player who competes in the Sanda division. Roshibina Devi was born in Bishnupur district, Imphal, Manipur. She attended the Chanambam Ibomcha College in Bishnupur to pursue Bachelor of Arts. Miss Roshibina was drawn to various martial arts forms, including Thangda, a traditional Manipuri martial art, and boxing. Her dedication to these disciplines laid the foundation for her success in wushu. Roshibina's breakthrough came when she represented India at the National Wushu Championships, where she clinched gold medals in various categories. One of her most notable achievements was at the 2009 Asian Wushu Championships, where she won a silver medal in the women's Senda event. And this accomplishment, it launched her to international recognition and set the stage for her future success. She made her mark in the girls 48 kg class in 2016, placing third and taking home a bronze medal at the Burgers World Junior Wushu Championships. In the 9th Asian Junior Wushu Championships held in Gumi, South Korea, she won a gold medal. In 2018 Asian Games, she competed in the women's Sanda 60 kg and was awarded a bronze medal. In September 2023, Ms. Roshibina Devi won silver in the women's 60 kg Wushu Sanda at the 19th Asian Games, China. In recognition of her hard work and talent, the Government of India has awarded her with the prestigious Arjuna Award in January last year. National Sports University extends a warm welcome to you, Madam, and it is to be highlighted that Madam is the youngest Wushu player to receive a medal in India. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have the privilege to request the chief guest of today's program, Honorable Minister, to please present the memento. Thank you so much. Moving ahead to the next segment, and as we reflect on the achievements and contributions of our members, it is time to honor those who have excelled in their respective fields. In this section, we will be presenting awards and appreciations to individuals who have demonstrated outstanding performance, dedication, and their commitment to this institution. First, we would like to honor the outstanding students in the field of academics, the toppers in the various courses which is run here in National Sports University. Ladies and gentlemen, may I first invite on stage the topper of the Bachelor of Science in Sports Coaching course, Yaisana Loktongbam. And I would request our Honorable Education Minister to please present the memento to our topper of the Bachelor of Science in Sports Coaching course. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we would like to have on stage we would like to invite on stage the gold medalist of the Bachelor of Physical Education and Sports course, Mr. Manish Nath. May I have him on stage? A huge round of applause for our student, alumni, Manish Nath, who has come all the way from Guwahati. He boarded the bus yesterday evening and he has made it possible to achieve the award from the hands of our Honorable Minister of Education. I would also like to take a moment to announce the name of the gold medalists in their absentia. For the course of Master of Physical Education and Sports, the gold medalist was Miss Tiasa Hum. A huge round of applause for Tiasa Hum. For the course of Master of Science in Sports Coaching, we have Satyarth Gautam. Last but not the least, for the course of Master of Arts in Sports Psychology, Miss Madhurika Indurkar. A huge round of applause of appreciation of our achievers.
We would now like to present the awards and recognition to the sports achievers of the National Sports University students. I would like to request each student to come on the stage as I call out your name. Jonah Princey Konsam, BPS, second semester, who secured second in gold National Wushu Championship, and gold is Zone Khelo India Women's League. I request our Madam Professor Usha S. Nair to please honor the student. I request Professor Madam Usha S. Nair to also honor Janika Naurem, BPS 4th semester, who secured gold in Mr. Manipur 2024. Shall we all welcome her with a round of applause? I would like the next student to please be ready. Yumlambam Ichantombi Devi, BPS 4th semester, who secured gold in the All India Inter-University Khelo India. Ma'am, I would request you to please honor her, ma'am. I request Professor Madam Usha S. Nair to also honor Hentoy B. Seram MPSC 4th semester, who qualified for the National Games 2025 swimming. Thank you, Madam. I would like to request Sri Shetri Mayum Thoiba Singh to please honor our students. P. Sana Jauba Singh, BPS 6th semester, who qualified for National Games Water Polo 2025. I also request her to honor Sarungbam Athauba Maite, BPS 3rd semester, who qualified for National Games 2025 swimming and triathlon. He has also represented in various international tournaments. I also request her to honor Abha Shangshak Desfani MASP 4th semester, who won silver and bronze in the Northeast Zone Inter-University Swimming 2024. Thank you, sir. I would also like to request Madam Namre Rakpam Kunjarani Devi to honor our students. Iloit Lengmak Mokpam MPSC 2nd semester. Nidi MBSP, who is also an alumni of our student. We are also delighted to share that our students got the medalist team in the All India Inter-University Rope Skipping 2024. RT Goswami, BSc 6th semester. Kanishka BPES, who is also an alumni of our university. Ashmita Prajapati, BSc 6th semester. Rishaf Chowdhury, MPSC. Jatin Bajaj, MPSC alumni. Aditya Singh, BPS 2nd semester. Aditya Singh, BPS 2nd semester. Anuj, BPS 6th semester. Aditya Singh, BPS 2nd semester. I would also like to request Madam to honor Hentoibi Chanu Moirangtem, BPES second semester, who secured bronze in Taekwondo. The next person that I would like to call upon is Guru Mayum Prithviraj Sharma, BSc second semester, Northeast Shooting Championship 2024. He secured bronze. Thank you, Madam. I would like to request Shri Leshangtem Ibomcha Singh, sir, to please honor our students. Guru Mayum Prithviraj Sharma. Siram Chingkhai Nganbi Chandu, PhD scholar, who secured silver medal in senior national fencing and qualified for Khelo India University Games. I would also like to request sir to honor Agu Yumnam, BPS 6th semester, who qualified for Khelo India University Fencing 2025. The next student that I would like sir to honor is Eliot Leima Pokpam, BPS second semester, who secured gold medal at Mixed Martial Arts National Championship 2024. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I would like to request Madam Ngambam Sonia Devi to honor our students. Muruga Lakshmi, MPES, 4th semester, who qualified for Khelo India University Games Fencing 2025. I would also like to request Madam to honor Marim Nauto, MPES 4th semester, who qualified for Khelo India. Who qualified for Khelo India University Games Fencing 2025. Thank you, ma'am. It is with great pride that our students won gold medal in the Northeast Zone Inter-University Football Men 2024. I request each one of you to come up on stage as I call out your name. I request Shri Mayang Lambam Bimoljit Singh to please honor our students. And Surja Kanta, BSc 3rd semester. Please come up on stage. Subhash Laurembam, MSc, 1st semester. O. Vivekananda, BPS, 3rd semester. Harsh Bangaish, BSc, 7th semester. James Raikhan, BPS, 3rd semester. James Raikhan, BPES, 3rd semester. Sangmay Ngapan, BPES 5th semester. Radhakanta, BSc 5th semester. Tanchokmi, MASP 1st semester. I also request Madam Roshibina Devi to accompany Sir Bimoljit Singh in honoring our students. I request Loyamba BSc 3rd semester to be on the stage. Loyamba BSc 3rd semester. Sadananda MSc 1st semester. Sadananda MSc 1st semester. And close BPES 3rd semester. And close BPES 3rd semester. Renedy BPES 3rd semester. Renedy BPES 3rd semester. Let's all give them a huge round of applause. Renedy. Nok Bipo BPES 5th semester. Joy Prakash MASP 1st semester. Nobel MPES 3rd semester. L. Robert MSc 1st semester. Okay. Surmani MSc 3rd semester. Lokora BSc 1st semester. Jetli MASP 1st semester. Abhisar BSc 5th semester. Sangmay Ngapan BPES 5th semester. Soranso BPES. MPES 1st semester. Sorry. And the last student is Hira Singhvi, BSc 7th semester. I would also like to acknowledge and invite our esteemed coach, Mr. Biondi Maite, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Coaching, and Dr. S. Premananda Singh, Department of Physical Education, the manager, to please come forward on the stage. We would also like to acknowledge and invite our esteemed coaches and manager to please come forward. Dr. M. Surchan Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Physical Education. Dr. S. Vinay Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Physical Education. Dr. S. Premananda Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Physical Education. Mr. M. Rakesh Sundar Singh, Department of Sports Coaching. Mr. K. Tijan Sharma, Department of Sports Coaching. Ms. Wango Leima Chanu, Taekwondo Coach. And Mr. Y. Biondi Maite, Department of Sports Coaching. And Mr. Kangleng Amba, MASP, 4th semester. I request our registrar, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, to please honor the coach and manager. Dr. M. Surchan Singh and Mr. Kangleng Amba for the game of Wushu. Mr. Kangleng Amba, coach of Wushu. Dr. M. Surchan Singh, manager of Wushu team. Dr. S. Vinay Kumar Singh, manager of fencing team. Mr. M. Rakesh Sundar Singh, coach of swimming. A huge round of applause for the coach. Ms. Wango Leima Chanu, Ms. Wango Leima Chanu for Taekwondo. Thank you, sir. With this, we come to the end of honoring our coach, manager, students, and teachers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Raman. Sir Nelson Mandela, the Nobel laureate of peace and former president of South Africa, said in one of his speeches, and I quote, "Sport has the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people in a way that little else does. It speaks to youth in a language they understand. Sports can create hope where once there was only despair," unquote. But to inspire the next generation, we need the right professionals to lead and coach them in sports. It is with this as one of the missions that the National Sports University Manipur was set up in the year 2018 by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who laid the foundation stone here in this very land of Manipur. The university is currently functioning from the temporary campus here at khuman Lampak. Ladies and gentlemen, this occasion gives us an opportunity to take stock of our achievements and to rededicate ourselves to face the new challenges that lie ahead. Now, may I invite Dr. Kuldeep Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Psychology, to present the annual report on this auspicious occasion.
Thank you, Dr. Raman. Good morning, Honorable Minister Shri Tanojam Basanta Kumar, IPS, retired. Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Usha S. Nair, respected Registrar Dr. Laisharam Dibamani Singh, distinguished guests on the dais, invited guests, faculty members, students, and friends of National Sports University. It is with immense pride and honor that I stand before you on this momentous occasion of our 7th Foundation Day to present a comprehensive report celebrating the remarkable achievements, milestones, and initiatives that define our journey. Today, as we reflect on our legacy, we also look forward with the renewed commitment to excellence in sports education, research, and athlete development. The foundation of NSU was laid with a vision, mission to revolutionize sports education, training, and research in India, striving towards globally recognized standard of excellence. NSU has become synonymous with excellence, a reputation built on unwavering commitment of its faculty, students, and supporters. In the academic year 2024-25, NSU proudly welcomed 131 students from 27 states and union territories from all over India, which includes 28 women and 103 men. This diverse cohort enriches NSU's cultural fabric, promoting collaboration and ensuring that university remains a melting point of talent and ideas. Each student is encouraged to explore their potential and equipped to meet the challenges of an evolving sports landscape. NSU students have constantly brought pride to institution with their exceptional performances on national and international platforms. Some of the highlights include securing 4th place at Asian Youth Triathlon Championship and representing India in the 2024 Asian Triathlon Junior and Mixed Relay Championship. 2 of our alumni from Department of Sports Psychology served as sports psychologist for Indian shooting team at Paris Olympic 2024. As we have witnessed, are numerous achievers in the game of wushu, fencing, swimming, shooting, and many more. The students remain in the search of excellence in most of the events in Indian sports. Outstanding, the men's, as we have witnessed, the men's football team successfully defended their title at Northeast Zone Inter-University Football Tournament at Nagaland University. The multiple medals earned by NSU rope skipping team showcasing versatility in diverse sports. Other than that, 22 of our students are selected to participate as volunteers for the World University Games in Berlin 2025, highlighting the university's commitment to global exposure. Students are also representing in the IOC, International Olympic Committee, Young Leader Program, fostering leadership and innovation skills in sports. The contribution of our esteemed faculty and staff extend beyond the classroom, elevating NSU's reputations nationally and globally. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Usha S. Nair, received 2 prestigious awards. Number 1, Excellence Award 2024 in the category, Education Leader category of Viksit Bharat at 2047 by Soft Computing Research Society, and Education for Sustainable Development Excellence Award by International Association of Educators for World Peace. Mr. K. Ravi Shankar assistant professor from Department of Sports Coaching, achieved gold medal in 35 plus men's doubles category at the Manipur State Veteran Championship 2024. Dr. Karen Harish Tiwari from the Department of Sports Physiology and Sports Nutrition and their research group earned 5 patents for innovating sports equipment, placing NSU at the forefront of sports innovation. Dr. Arijit Chakrabarti was awarded the Dr. Siddhartha Devnath Memorial Oration Award. Our robust internship and placement program ensures students gain practical experience. In 2024-25, students interned at organizations like Tata Steel, High Performance Centers, SAI, KVS, NVS, Army Sports Institute, Pune, Army Marksmanship Unit, and Maricum Boxing Academy, to name few. Our placement cell also has forged partnership with industry leaders such as CultFit, Triumph PE, and Sports Village, opening doors to rewarding careers in sports and related field. During 2024-25, NSU hosted its first ever All India Inter-University competition in football men, women, and badminton men, which was received warmly by the team participants. Honorable Union Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandviya visits reaffirm NSU's national importance and global vision in sports education. Additionally, the visit of Joint Secretary Development Dr. Sobhit Jain to the NSU temporary as well as permanent campus, which is 70% completed, had added a profound dimension to NSU's development initiatives. Dr. Jain engaged extensively with faculty members, students, and staff, sharing valuable insight into the alignment of sports education with national priorities. As we stand at the threshold of new chapter, we affirm our commitment to excellence. The path ahead holds opportunities and challenges, but through collective effort, NSU is poised for greater heights. Our vision is to expand our impact, foster innovation, and shape the future of sports education in India. Events like the upcoming Fit for Life International Conference at Goa symbolizes our aspirations to lead globally and in sports and wellness. On this Foundation Day, we celebrate our achievements, honor our legacy, and look forward to a brighter future. Together, we are building a legacy that will inspire generations and elevate India's global position in sports. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let us strive for excellence hand in hand and as we shape the future of sports and education in our nation. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Dr. Kuldeep, for the comprehensive annual report. To proceed further with the program, may I now cordially invite the president of today's program, our respected Vice Chancellor, officiating Professor Usha S. Nair, to deliver the presidential address.
Most respected chief guest of this function, Shri Basanta Kumar Singh, IPS retired, Honorable Minister, Education, Law, Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur. Honorable guests on the dais, Kumari Kunjarani Devi ma'am, Shri Toiba Singh, Srimati Sonia Devi, Shri Ibomcha Singh, Shri Bimoljit Singh, Kumari Roshibina, Honorable Registrar, and Honorable Executive Council members, all the invited guests, and my dear students and friends. A very good morning to one and all. At the outset, I'd like to thank Honorable Minister who has spared his valuable time. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting an invitation and being with us. And you're a great source, because your stepping in here would be a great blessing for the National Sports University, because I'm sure all those sitting over here are looking forward to education. And you would be there to promote us, help for sport, and the entire sports science courses, what we are coming across, and the state of Manipur would be benefited. The National Sports University is a premier institution, and the main purpose is its knowledge, dedication, excellence, a mini India with 27 students from 27 states across the country. Academic sports, we have 4 of the master's course in sports coaching, physical education, sports nutrition, sports psychology, and also 2 of the undergraduate courses. And our students are encouraged to balance, because it's more like a military training. We have from morning till evening. In spite of all that, our students are bringing in laurels. I think a big hand to all our students, because they are the heart of this particular NSU, National Sports University. They are great ambassadors. As members, also it's very important to mention, we are National Sports University is also a member of the ICSP, which is the International Council of Sports Science and Physical Education, one of the topmost body, which has got nearly more than 180 members, and also a member of the International Society for Comparative Physical Education and Sport. We are also proud to say that we are a partner in the International Survey of Quality Physical Education. So I think globally, National Sports University is known. And the journey would not have been possible without our faculty, who are the main architects. So big hand to all our faculty members who were actually molded our students, guided them. They were mentors, and irrespective of, sacrificing their family life, they did everything for the students. So hats off to you, my dear children. I call you as children because we all look towards you, because you're the foundation for this. Thank you so much. And I need to say this because this would be my last foundation day. I have to bring it out. Thank you so much, my dear students. Keep growing, and I think you'll bring name for this. And my students here, I'd say the students are so hardworking, laborious. Tell them anything, they're ready for it. I think last evening when we saw it. So the students of National Sports University, you are again a great ambassadors. We are proud of you, because when we say something to you, you see that it is done. This particular place of the khuman Lampak Sports Complex, a special mention for it, because I'm from Kerala, I'm here. I think it's a blessing. You'll not find anywhere in the country or go to any place in the world. I think this is one of the best possible place you can see. From morning 4 a.m., you come till night, you'll find people running. I think there's some magic on the road. You feel like running with irrespective of whether you're a child or your youth or your women. So I think this kind of a magic is there, and the fitness index of Manipur would be great. So I think it's again a great thing, and it's really a great blessing for me to be here too. The staff of National Sports University, I have to say, all of them have been working so hard, and again, you've been passionate for the entire staff of the National Sports University, whether you're in the administration or into the stores, or whether you're into the groundsmen, the security, each one. Again, I need to thank you all for what you've done. And I have my group of women. So I also have a community outreach program. I have nearly 25 to 30 of them women, beautiful nuppies sitting right in front, and all are 55 plus. But you have taught life lessons to me. You have made me to live my life to the fullest, which I never enjoyed anywhere else. I have to make a mark here. Because of you, I've learned what life is. So I think I'd be missing you so much, but I have a family in Manipur. I really love you, I have to say that. And for each one of you, once again, I would say that as we celebrate this milestone, let us rededicate ourselves to the mission of nurturing world-class athletes, because Manipur is a powerhouse of sports, and I'm sure together we'll continue to make NSU a beacon of excellence in sports, education, and an institution that the nation takes pride of. I have to make a special mention of the ministry. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports is very supportive, and our secretary, madam, you say anything to her, this is what we want, she makes it possible. So I think you never come across anywhere this kind of a freedom that we have. Again, once again, a big thank you to each one of you who had made it, once again, a very happy Foundation Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, madam, for such a heart-filled and stimulating address. And thank you for guiding us and pushing us to strive for the best. And we hope that NSU will keep shining under your guidance, even though you may not be there next year as the Vice Chancellor. But we really hope to have you as one of the invited guests and guiding us throughout. Thank you so much. Moving ahead, may I have the privilege and with utmost reverence, may I invite the chief guest of today's program, the Honorable Minister of Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur, Shri Thaunaujam Basantakumar Singh, IPS retired, to please address the august gathering of today. Please, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. I think you're sportsmen, you have more energy than that. Say good afternoon loudly. Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you. Good response. Good afternoon, once again. Namaskar, Kurumjari. I'm very, privileged, and today I'm a very proud Manipuri to be here as the chief guest of today's function. And I'll come to the reasons why I'm proud to be here. I'll speak in English because I think we have, from 27 states, we have students here, staff. So I'll speak in English. In between, I'll have a bit of Hindi and Manipuri also. But first of all, let me pay my respects to the dignitaries on the dais. The person who spoke just now, just before, right from her heart, Professor Usha S. Nair, Vice Chancellor, National Sports University, Imphal. The dynamic and the enthusiastic Vice Chancellor officiating of this university. Please give her a huge hand. She is, the prime mover of this university, has been for the past few years. My respects to her. Ikai Khumnabuchari. Next, the registrar, Dr. L. Divamani Singh, Kaikam Nabuchari, the one who looks after the administration. I'm sure he is doing a wonderful job. And next, I would like to pay my respects to the people who make this university possible, who have put Manipur on the sports map of the world, not only of India, mind you, of the world. This tiny state of Manipur, which has only about 30, approximately lakh population, and these people on the dais today have made it possible for Manipur to have this university. Please make it very clear. Their outstanding performances, their outstanding work in the field of sports has made this National Sports University possible. So I will come to them one by one, and I'm very privileged to be sharing the dais with them. I'm very honored. First, Srimati Namerakpam Kunjarani Devi, Olympian. And she reminded me today there are 19 Olympians, out of which 11 are women. Women power, Nari Shakti. Thanks to people like her. Akwai Olympian trampan leibada taramathoidi nupi neva. Sine akwai Manipur gi nupi gi Thaunaling jail, haibatare, the guts and the glory and the courage and the sacrifice of our women. Please give a big hand to the women of Manipur. Then next, my friend and elder brother, I think is older to me. Date of birth kya no zagi do ozat hui do 61. I gon dagi halle adudi. So my elder brother, Tamo Thoiba, Ketrimim Thoiba Singh, Olympian. Please give him a big hand. Manipur is once again coming back on the map of Olympian hockey. You know, hockey is once again getting a revival in India, and Manipuri is also shining in the field of hockey, field hockey. Thanks to people like him. Next, of course, Srimati Ngangbam Sonia Devi, Olympian. Please give her a big hand. She's young, but she has a long way to go, but I'm sure she'll bring more laurels to our country. Not only the state, because we play for the country, the pride of the state and the country in conjunction. Next, very respected Oja, I also call him Oja. Oja Lai Sangthem Ibomja Singh, Dronacharya awardee. Please give him a big hand. Oja has made Manipur famous. Movie ama koi Mary Kom gi movie ama leibado. Aduna Oja se Oja gi role neva koi coach kido. Ado koi gi I friends sing all over India and the world leibna movie do release to kanda Mary Kom se phone tore. Asnoi Manipur gi Mary Kom gi cinema do yeng am nungai haiba. So with pride I used to tell them I know the coach Oja. Oja se ai khangi and I with proudly I haijabado madugi pride to Oja se ni. Please give him a big hand. Shri Mayang Lambam Bimoljit Singh, Arjuna awardee, outstanding player. Please give him a big hand. And Srimati Naurem Roshibina Devi, Arjuna awardee. All of them, please. These are some of the few outstanding sportsmen, outstanding, and coaches. Without them, today, this Manipur Sports University, National Sports University, would not have been possible. Aduna, we really should be very grateful to them that they are, at the forefront of, promoting sports and, sporting activities from the state of Manipur. Next, I want to pay my respects to Dr. Kuldeep Singh, Assistant Professor, NSU. Also, I would like to pay my respects to Shyam Sundar Rath, Dean Students Welfare, NSU. Also, seated in front is my elder brother. I think they are in the Executive Council. Sri Lakshmi Kumar, IAS retired. Tamo Kurumjari. Next, Professor Dr. A.K. Joy, RIMS. Professor Kaikum Nabuchari, and other dignitaries, members of the Executive Council, Mangdal Lengshin Biriba, Punokpu Aina, Kaikum Nabuchari. Luinana, most importantly, I want to give my respects to the faculty of the National Sports University, who have been doing a tremendous job in this temporary campus. Setting is too good. Setting of the campus is too good. But of course, you will move to the permanent, campus soon. But faculty, you are the reason why this place is, very alive and happening. And next, I would like to, of course, last but not the least, the students of this university, you people are the reason why we are all here today. It's for you. that this sports university has been dedicated by the none other than the Honorable Prime Minister of India, who has set up, who has sanctioned the funds, who has given the go-ahead to set up this university in 2018. And, this is the one and only sports university in India, if I'm not mistaken. And there may be more which may come up in other sporting states like Kerala, and you have Haryana, good other states are there. But you cannot beat the talent of Manipur. I say this with a lot of pride because per capita, I koi mean lai zabasiga haradi per capita. I koi na puthoiba sportsmen hai. I think we have to be one of the highest in the country. I koi ke lai population jiga. I koi na sporting gi persons me am puthoi se. Famous coaches, famous sporting personalities puthokpanga mi se. It's an amazing achievement, and I hope that you students who are seated in front will contribute much more and bring more laurels to our state and the country, because now it is a national university. So the whole of India, as Vice Chancellor said today, National Sports University here is a mini India. Absolutely correct. 27 states. 27 states again have a different faculty and students lakna lairise. Aduna it's an example of how we can live together as one in spite of coming from different backgrounds. And I can tell you one thing, to the Vice Chancellor I want to say, Manipur is also a mini India, because we have different tribes and cultures of 34 different communities in this state. So all of us living together for thousands of years, and our culture, which is a combination of so many things. We have our different tribal cultures, we have Hindu culture, we have our own indigenous culture. So all of them have come together to make Manipur not only a sporting powerhouse, but also a cultural powerhouse. We are very, very proud of that achievement, because we are, the main thing is about life is giving hope to the future generations. Future generation ki lairiba mangdalengshal liba youth, young people say, moi the hope pivato. That should be our aim and objective. You have a great life. Noi tungi oiba aduguma successful oiba life ama soidana ngamgani laigani haibado madugi hope pibisne. That's what we should try and do as representatives, as teachers, and as elderly brothers and uncles or whatever that may be. So that, I think, is the main theme, I think. And coming to that theme, ngasi aina haijaramada, I was just talking to the Vice Chancellor and the Registrar. I was proposing that you should have a motto to inspire you for this university, which you can propose to the ministry, that we need to have a crest, an emblem, in which you can project what the vision for the university is. Vision is there in the document, the objective statement is there, but if you have a motto, for example, I say school se sida Don Bosco tamama matungda I went to Delhi Public School, Mathura Road. Aduda akwegi motto ama crest ama fazana semaga adu blazer gi sida crest sem kana du yawi adu makhada motto ama thayaba. That motto was service before self. So that sort of inspired us, and that I think is the same motto as Rotary Club, but I think they have some connection. But adugi motto do koi husi phongning sangeba. And then after that, I went to St. Stephen's College, Delhi da koigi yamna one of the top colleges. I'm so humble that I could study there. Aduda su moigi motto amaga crest, amaga beautiful crest, a star, and add thy glorium to the glory of God. Haraga motto maleva. Adu so koi me am inspired to reba, hope pieva. Aduna, I as a chief guest of today's function, it is my humble suggestion that you may akwai motto ama akwai sigi lairiba teams ina propose tawraga akwai lairiba National Sports University ki motto and crest was started this year. It will be a big achievement and it will be there for years and centuries to follow. Akwai ki St. Stephen College ki motto se chahi chamaga kunthani fu mamangda haudo mane huzipau inspired tawriba. Aduna we should think about decades and centuries ahead. That is my humble suggestion. Aduga National Sports University City Hanasu akwigi keynote address the keynote address the aduga akwigi VC Vice Chancellor ki speech the mayam yaukre. You people know about the university better than me, so I will talk to you in very short. I won't take too long. Aduga, I'll try to speak to you a little different from with my own personal experience. I will share with you about sports and whatever little I know. I don't know much. Koigi sporting icons mein amdi sil rahe. You people are doing the academic studies, but whatever little I know, I want to share with you about life, sports, and in general how to have hope for the future. I think in my school days, I myself was a sportsman. I'll just share this with the students. If you'll excuse my own this thing, I'm not trying to promote myself, but I just want to share my sporting background with all of you. I was the sub-junior and a junior table tennis champion of Manipur in the early 70s. Adagi class 6 I was a table tennis and a state level badminton player and a table tennis champion of Manipur. Then I went to Delhi Public School in 1976. Over there, I started playing football because they thought all northeastern boys are good in football or hockey. Akoi hockey team do tamo adu matam yam pharam meva. And imagine at that time, that school, DPS, I don't know how many students they have now, but there were more than 3,000 students in that school, and we from Manipur were only 11 students when I joined. And we were there in almost every team. Hockey teams, we were one of the best hockey teams in Delhi. Aduga football, I was a football captain of DPS. Aduga football captain where I played badminton and football in DPS. Aduga football Subro took up level boy Sanarami. We were the Fair Play Award winners and all that. Anyway, but I come from a sporting background. Then in college, I was in the college football team. I played badminton also in the same team, and academics was more important, so I switched more to academics. Adubu, that sporting sense of sportsmanship, team game. As a team player, work sanakanda. I cannot be the only star. Okay, Messi may be a best football player star, but somebody has to pass the ball to him for him to score the goal. He cannot score a goal on his own from the back till once in a while maybe it may happen. So it's all basically team games. How you cooperate with each other, how you cooperate and collaborate and help each other in a football field, that's what makes you a person later on, successful person later on in life. They have a saying in English, when there was a war between France and England won the Battle of Trafalgar, I think, and they said that the Battle of, Waterloo, I think, Waterloo was won on the playing fields of Eton. Eton is a school, sports emphasize toba adugumba school mo erameba maduda sports hanagiba mayam duna England gi generals mayam eraga leader eraga moina Napoleon gumba apauba emperor mabu moina defeat toba ngam Napoleon gi navy yam strong erameba so aduda neba koina lakadoidi how big a role sports plays in life and in the fate of even countries. Haibuduneva. Aduna, we have to always remember that as you young students, move on in life, as you carry on in your different careers as coaches or instructors or as sportsmen, that you have to be a team player. Team is a very important aspect of being successful in life. And another thing I want to share with you is one of the most important things. I don't know, students, I hope you people are still awake, you're not bored. Are you bored or no? Sure? Bored to nahi ho gaye na? Chalo, haath to uthao na, dikhao. Hum bore nahi ho gaye. Chalo, that's to wake you up. Now, I want to share with you something very important. See, it comes from sports and it's called discipline. Discipline se lairaba. Adu edi, as a sports person or even as a normal person, you will be successful. If you're not disciplined, it's very difficult. You may be the most talented. Akoi Manipur so talent city, it's everywhere in the villages, in the laikai streets, loin leba. But the thing we need to inculcate today in Manipur and in all of you, and it's not that I'm not saying you don't have discipline, but if you have discipline, you will become successful in whatever work you do later on in life. That is the one important message I want to, stress today. Because, and people ask, one day I was in a seminar with interacting with my students, and one Imphal college it was. One student got up and asked me, sir, you keep talking about discipline. Discipline is a kaino. What is discipline? Please explain, Hayaba. Very good question. Everyone says discipline. In my opinion, in my theory, discipline is what you do daily in your life, daily habits. If you do that well, from morning till evening, if your daily habits are good, if you do the right things, that will bring discipline in your life. For example, let me say, I have a very, famous quote, which I keep telling my students. What you do daily will decide your future. And if some of you have notebooks, if you have a pen, please write this down. This will become very important later on in life. I am telling you, what you do daily, nungti inoina tauriba thabak to, aduna nangi future decide tauganeba. For example, if I get up in the morning, I tell my son, first thing you do is make your bed. That is the first sign of discipline. If you don't make your own bed in the morning, then your whole tone of the day, what you're going to do throughout the day, may not turn out as good as you would like it to be. The moment you get up, especially boys. Boys, tell me, how many of you make your own beds? Raise your hand. Nasana phamung kana kana semje khut thangkalo. Girls to nupim chada hangati moi loi thangkalakani. Chumiko. Aduna boys singsu. And I'm telling you, I'm not saying this. I say this out of total belief. Because I tell it to my son. I do it myself. I isamung suta weba. Ayuk hawalaga isagi phamung semjeba. Isagi phamung do nan phazan thama matung dadi roina head sida clear oireba. What is my job for the day, and whatever I do later on in the day falls into place one by one. So today, there's a book also called Make Your Bed. It's a book about discipline. So discipline is what you do daily, morning when you get up, ayuk hogat pada, make your own bed, isagi phamung semjaba, isagi own plates, chabagi plate nung isana sengtok chaba, clean up tawjaba. In Japan, they have a very important custom. If you go to somebody's house, me imna chak kaurene, chak chaba chatpasida, horen chak chaba lorekpasida, as a mark of respect to that family who invited you, and plus, moigi meeting helpers do akhoi respect to boina masagi napkin pura chatleba napkin puthoga, they take out the napkin from the pocket, they clean the plate properly, and they leave a very clean plate. So we should start this in Manipur also. Akhoi usop chatpa matamda chaba matamda akhoi loina plate to the lemon the way they have a number 1 ama natradi nungna hini ai loin cha thokre na chumiko chumra chumdabra am tai bivne usop chatpa matamda akhoi gi yarigai lemon the lemhori du chu phajana clean up torga napkin na mana chem na torga phajana cover to thamamadi. It gives dignity to the meal. It gives dignity to the people who will clean up later on also. So assume these are small habits that will define, our culture and our future. Aduna aina hygienic vadi. You get up in the morning, make your bed, you wash up, clean up, do your exercises, go for studies, come back, have a routine. Without a routine, you cannot be disciplined. Please remember that. That routine should be, if possible. I remember when I was in school, I was studying very hard to try to get into St. Stephen's College. You need very high marks to get into St. Stephen's College. So I set out a routine. Nobody had told me about all these discipline and all that. But in my mind, I realized that if I don't have a routine to follow, it may not be, I may not be that successful. So I took out a paper, wrote down 5 o'clock, get up, 6 o'clock, exercise, 7, breakfast, 9 o'clock, classes, come back at 2, wash your clothes, then 3 o'clock, study, 5 o'clock, games, 7 o'clock, study, 9 o'clock, that way, and 11 o'clock, lights out. So then if you start following that routine, automatically your discipline life will become a disciplined life. And that is going to decide your future. Please take it from me. Please remember your daily habits. If you are today roaming around, wasting time, and not concerned about what you do daily, future is not very bright. Your future will be bright when there is discipline. And please, once again, my main message to all of you is, let's have, discipline, and let's have good routine in our lives. And I want to again come back to this university. I'm very proud to say that this khuman Lampak complex, which is one of the best sports complexes in India, I think, where we have so many. This whole land was earmarked, and this pata was given, I'm very proud to say, by my father when he was the revenue minister of Manipur. Tamo. He was the revenue, and that's laid the infrastructure. And fortunately, when he became the Union Minister for Sports and Culture in the Vajpayeeji's government, I was the OSD. So we came to Guwahati, and then we laid the infrastructure for all this, even the Sai Center at Takil and all that. And other states in the northeast, like Assam, they said, you have to give it to us. We are more central, bigger state. So we said, no, nothing doing. Manipur is the one that produces sports persons. Manipur deserves it. That's why we got it. So over years, our forefathers, our elders, and people in government, I hope I'm not taking too long. I'll finish up soon. But our forefathers, they have built up this place brick by brick, slowly and steadily. And that's what you see today. Such a beautiful sports complex, which was praised by, it didn't come overnight. No mutadas habanate se. Chahi mayam ama changaga. Mayam sina tab na sagalaga. Stadium, then velodrome, cycling, and pools. Everything came up very slowly. It takes time. And so we have to be grateful to our leaders who went before us, and more importantly, to our sportsmen, to our coaches, who brought Manipur in front. With the infrastructure, they could practice, and then with their talent, they brought Manipur to the forefront of sports, not only in India, but in the whole world. And that's how I think today we are at this stage, and we have a long way to go forward. And if I can tell you, per capita talent sports, nothing to beat Manipur. Manipur is in almost every field. I think a lot of people acknowledge that, but sports is our, glory. Sports is where, where we excel. So, once again, I want to come, before I end, I want to come to that quote by our lady here who quoted Nelson Mandela. I think you were the one. So, quote on sports, Nelson Mandela, that sports can change the world and give hope. Very important, hope and changing the world. Meaning, you change your own lives. Let's work hard. We cannot just lie in our beds and think that we will progress or we will become someone. No, you have to get up from bed and work hard. Manipur today needs a culture of hard work. People are talking about, 90-hour weeks and all that. Narayan Murthy, other people are talking. They are very right. Unless you work hard, you cannot progress. So one thing aspect, we have to look into the past. Akoi past is we yengadoni. Akoi ki chaukat lamba yam bhajan thambiram yam. But looking into the future, we have to see that we utilize all that we have here properly with hard work. Without hard work, nothing will come to fruition. Nothing will happen. Aduna thabak kanna subagi habit se masi akoi Manipur da su akoi youth singda laiti haibanati ko amuka he na kanna noma suba honaraga mingondagi mullaga chaage haibanataba mingondagi laura chagna ai isana honajaraga aikoi Manipur se chaukhutpa Manipur ma honasi haibado ai thamjading mani aduna ngasai Nelson Mandela gi haigibdo yam chumi, because I believe in one quote of Nelson Mandela, being the education minister of this state. You know what he said? He said, education is the most powerful weapon with which you can change the world. Education. So here in this sports university, you have sports, you have education. A good combination, and plus I would like to add hard work. Nothing will beat hard work. Keep working hard. Let's keep working hard, and let's make Manipur and India, let's take it on the path of glory. Thank you all so much. Thank you. Taguchari.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring and stimulating words. And thank you for rightly pointing out that we are able to see the light of the day today because of these gems on the dais. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you for highlighting that our ancestors and the generations before us have paved the way for us and have made it possible for us to shine today. I'm truly thankful for your kind presence today and blessing all of us and inspiring our students. And I'm sure that they are all motivated and inspired by your experiences and words of wisdom. Sinjal Langjariba Singhi Maikaidagi, Honorable Minister Bu, Amukka Hana Kok Nolukna Thagat Bawahi Pungdokcheri.
May I now invite Dr. Shyam Sundarat, Dean Students Welfare, National Sports University, to deliver the vote of thanks.
आप सभी को मेरा सादर प्रणाम. A graceful and warm afternoon to all most valued chief guest, president of this function, Dronacharya Awadi, Olympian, Arjuna Awadi, invited guests, teachers, coaches, and most beloved students and staff all gathered over here. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. As William Arthur rightly said, feeling gratitude and not expressing it is warping a present and not giving it. To begin, I, on behalf of entire fraternity of National Sports University, extend my most sincere thanks to the chief guest, Sri Basant Kumar Singh, IPS retired, Honorable Minister Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Government of Manipur, who joined our 7th Foundation Day and spent his valuable time for our busy schedule to grace this occasion. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable speech and valuable words to our students. Definitely they will maintain a disciplined life. My sincere thanks to all our esteemed Dronacharya Awadi, Olympian, Arjuna Awadi in the dais who spent their busiest time gracing this occasion. Mr. L. Ibumcha Singh, Dronacharya Awadi, Padma Shri N. Kunjarani Devi, Olympian weightlifting, K. Thoiva Singh, Olympian hockey, Srimati N. Sonia Devi, Olympian weightlifting, Sri Bimaljit Singh, Arjuna Awadi, Usu, Kumari N. Rosbina Devi, Arjuna Awadi, Usu. Today we had the opportunity to hear your contribution, dedication towards your sports achievement and also your discipline, lifestyle and positive thoughts. This is definitely encouraging our students for their future pursuits. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir and madam. I'd like to extend my heartiest thanks to all our respected Executive Council members of National Sports University for guidance and encouragement in all our efforts. Now I place on record our gratitude to the President of today's program, our Honorable Vice Chancellor officiating, Professor Dr. Usha S. Nair, for generous support and guidance for encouraging every point of time of this great event. Your encouragement has constantly helped all our endeavors. Thank you so much, madam. I especially thanks to our beloved and respected Registrar Sir, Dr. L. Devamani Singh, for his encouragement and support to make a great success in this function. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all the distinguished invitees present here, accepting our invitation, Director Riaz, Principal, faculty members of IAS, all the respected coaches of Sports Authority of India, IAS and NSA, professor and academicians from different universities, sports scientists, teachers, students of NSA, all sports trainees of SAIS. I also extend my hearty and sincere thanks to all the faculty members, DFO, coaches and staffs for their relentless effort, cooperation in making this function a resounding success. Here we are fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very dedicated and motivated team of our university who knows their tasks and very much result oriented. Thank you all our faculty members, all the conveners of different committees and their members and staff. I owe special gratitude to all the non-teaching staff, particularly office, grounds, kitchen, housekeeping, who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion became a memorable success. Thank you very much. Further, a big thanks you to the Master of Ceremony, Dr. Devla Chanu and Dr. Raman, for their effort towards anchoring of today. With their style and own ideas of explanation of everything. Thank you, madam. I extend heartfelt thanks to Dr. Kiran Harish Tiwari and Mr. Rakesh Sundar Singh, Secretary and Joint Secretary Cultural Club, who worked behind this scenes to make this event possible, including the musician members, technical arrangement team, and a very good program will be held soon after this meeting. I mention my deepest sense of appreciation and will place on record of my hearty thanks to all the loving students volunteers to whom we made this function possible. Thank you, my dear loving students present over here. A big thanks to all print and electronics media personals present over here, and you have done a commendable job in these functions. Once again, I thanks all for your kind attention. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your humble and kind words. On the 7th Foundation Day, we seek sincerest blessings and wishes from all the well-wishers so that we succeed in our mission with a clear vision, that is, be the best and lead the rest in the sports education, research, and training across the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, thanking all of you again on our Foundation Day for making this journey a wonderful and a memorable one. Thank you once again. As we conclude this segment of the ceremony, we'll be having the cultural program in a while. And for that, I request the cultural program volunteers to kindly make the necessary arrangements on the stage. And for that, may I invite Dr. Karen Harish Tiwari to take care of the podium henceforth.
Check. I request all my esteemed guests, dignitaries, students, and others to kindly settle down. We will soon begin the cultural program celebrating the 7th Foundation Day of the National Sports University. India is a land of contrasts and is a beautiful mosaic of cultures, languages, customs, and traditions. Cultural programs are renditions of the diverse art forms and rich cultural heritage that knit Indian society together and form a thrilling part of our lives, adding joy to any event. Respected chief guest, President, Registrar Sir, our esteemed guests, dignitaries, students, and faculty of the National Sports University, to begin the cultural program on the celebratory occasion of the 7th Foundation Day of the National Sports University, we have the honor of witnessing the famous Jagoi Ras or Ras Leela of Manipur. This dance illustrates the sacred love between Hindu deities It will be performed by an expert team from the premier institution for teaching Manipuri dance and music, the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. This academy is a constituent unit of the Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi, and was established in 1954. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause as we welcome the highly skilled team from the prestigious Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy.
Hello.
बसंतगी पूर्णिमानसु हेन निंथीजरब हिंगसि khoi mayam loina duna ras sanas pukning naning ba thunghans ibungo nanai khoi na pam jabasu madut
Nibbana mana
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a bigger round of applause to the skilled team from the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy who exhibited the complete skills, and it was a complete performance, enthralling us emotionally as well as spiritually, exhibiting the story of Radha and Krishna in a perfection, in every rhythmic move and abhinaya, touching our hearts and souls. Thank you to the whole team for enthralling us with their performance. As we move on, in this auspicious occasion of the 7th Foundation Day celebration of the National Sports University, our students will showcase their talents in dance and music. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy the performance of the Western Music Club of the National Sports University. Ladies and gentlemen,
Check, hello.
the Western Music Club stood fourth place in the 37th AIU Northeast Zone Inter-University Tournament, and they will also be participating in the upcoming Northeast University Tournament. So please encourage them and give a round of applause as they begin to perform on stage.
Hello. Check. Hello, check. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. First of all, we would like to wish a very happy 7th Foundation Day of National Sports University. We will be singing a song, and the title of our song is We Are the World. If you know the song, you can sing along with us. Here we go.
Hello.
There comes a time when we hit a certain chord, when the world must come together as one.
There are people dying. Oh, it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
We can go on, pretending day by day.
Make a change.
We are all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is always in it. We are the world.
We are the children.
We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
There's a choice to make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, make a better day, just you and me. We'll set the heart, so we know that someone cares. We'll be stronger and free.
As God has shown us, learning don't you worry. So we must lend a helping hand.
We are the world. We are the children.
We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
There's a choice to make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, make a better day, just you and me.
On and on, there seems no hope at all. But if you just believe, there's no way we can fall. Oh, that a change can only come when we stand together as one.
We are the children.
We are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving.
There's a choice to make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice to make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, make a better day, just you and me. just you and me.
Thank you.
Thank you for that beautiful performance, engaging us with your singing and aura. I think we all tapped our feet to the NSU Western Music Club. They also proved us that they are not good at field, but also in cultural performances. Moving on, next we have a dance performance showcasing the different cultures of India, across India, different states. So let us warmly welcome the next group. India, our incredible homeland, is a living testament to the beauty of diverse cultures, languages, traditions, and beliefs coexisting harmoniously under one sky. From the tranquil backwaters of Kerala to the bustling streets of Kolkata, from the deserts of Rajasthan to the lush forest of the Northeast, each region of our country brings its own unique flavor to the rich cultural fabric we share. Today, we are about to witness a mesmerizing journey through the many diverse cultural dances that span across our nation. Each dance represents the stories, struggles, and celebrations of the people from different corners of India, north, south, east, northeast, and west. But what is truly remarkable is how, despite the contrast, there is a common thread that binds us all, the spirit of unity. As the dancers take the stage, let us be reminded that while we may speak different languages, wear different clothes, and celebrate different festivals, it is this beautiful diversity that makes India so vibrant and unique. In every rhythm, every movement, and every beat, we celebrate what it means to be united. Without further ado, let's embark on this wonderful cultural journey and experience the magic of India's diverse dances. Please join me in welcoming our performers as they bring to life the essence of unity in diversity through the vibrant dances of our nation.
ठुमक ठुमक जब हिट छे तू पहाड़ी बाटोमा छम छमा पायल घुंगरू बजन त्यार टूटमा लाल त्यार कंगना हाथ में चूड़ी छनहरा लाल त्यार कंगना हाथ में चूड़ी छनहरा चुनरी तेरी आए हाय चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा अरे चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा తెల్లవారే వెలుగు రేఖలా పచ్చ పచ్చ పచ్చి మట్టి బొమ్మల అల్లి బిల్లి వెన్న పాల నురగల అచ్చ తెలుగు ఇంటి పూల కొమ్మల దేవదేవుడే పంపగ ఇలా దేవతే మా ఇంట అడుగే పెట్టెనంట బ్రహ్మ కళ్ళలో కాతులే మా అమ్మలా మా కోసం మళ్ళీ లాలి పాడేనంట आओ नी paloca adimimo meno emo sulla lentola Ditamo paloca adiame meno emo sulla lentola Comincio ignai mamo kido ganam de seban yak mama juye namlo mirilo klubom lai Comincio ignai mamo kido ganam de seban yak mama juye namlo ponung lok mo bom lai
धुमकिट तदानि धुमकिट नटना गरनट धिमनट पर्वत उभा उत्तुंग नवा घुमतो मृदुंग पखवाज देता आवाज जनन झंकार लेऊनी स्त्री रूप भुलवी नटरंग नटरंग नटरंग
आसमाने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले
Let us give a big round of applause to the talented students of the National Sports University who within a very short span of time have exhibited such a beautiful performance. As we conclude this program, let us carry forward the message that India's strength lies in its ability to embrace differences, celebrate varied traditions, and still come together as one nation. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-kissed shores of the south, India is a melting pot of varied customs and practices. We are not just individuals from different regions or communities. We are Indians united by our love for our land, our heritage, and our people. Remember, as we dance to the rhythms of life, we dance together. Let the spirit of unity in diversity guide us in every step we take, in every corner of our vibrant country. Jai Hind. Now I would invite our Vice Chancellor, Madam Professor Usha S. Nair, to share a few words. Let me welcome all the students onto the dais. Please wait on the dais. Also, the artists from the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, if you are here, please come onto the dais. The Western Music Club.
Most respected Executive Council members, registrars, all the invited guests, faculty, staff, students. Indeed, I think it's a matter of pride where our education minister said that, are they students of the university? I said, yes. That means the sports person are the ones who are multifaceted, where you have talents. It was such a wonderful thing. You took us all to an entirely different world because there was so much of energy. And I think as compared to the previous years, this year it was something so commendable, including the Dr. Karen for having read out the script so well. So a big hand to Dr. Karen. It was something which you took us to the stage, but the song, it was, I think you made us feel, like you're here, like we are the world, we are the children. You made it so live. It was so nice. And also the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, a big thanks to you if you are there. It was indeed so good because the Ras Leela that you brought in, again I felt it was something which you could take us, because all the performance that you did was, we didn't feel that we were here. We felt we were in some other world. You made us experience that. So thank you so much from the academy. If there are somebody here, thanks. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And my dear children, I mean, it's so nice. We felt, irrespective of age, we felt like coming and dancing over here. And you, this group, my God, you're so marvelous. The dance was so much, we didn't know. Sometimes we were in Kerala, sometimes we were in Maharashtra, sometimes we were in Arunachal Pradesh, and the different parts it took us around. And this certain kind of a journey which you've given us, it's a memorable one for lifetime we'd remember. So it's something really nice, and I request each one to come over, including the registrars and our faculty. We'll take a photograph with them. The staff who all prepared for it, I think it was, no, we'll have a photo. Where is, who is Dr. Rakesh, Mr. Rakesh also? I think there were a lot of people who were training you. Are they here? Because your students have trained themselves. That's great. Great. But still I feel there were people, like faculty was there, right? So those who are mentored, I think Rakesh, can you just come on here too? Please do come. Karen, please do go to the stage. Anybody else besides you two? Debla ma'am, you also please come onto the stage. And Resas and other faculties, please do come. Let's take a picture. Come. All the faculties of NSU, please do come. Take one photograph. So again, good. And a request if you could come to Goa, all of you. Because the same feeling you gave us, I think you could give it to all. You are there. I mean, a request is, I was just telling to Debla ma'am, if you all can make it to Goa, there's nothing else to say of.
We will have a national anthem. Yeah. And after that, we will have a group photo of the faculty and staff of NSU. May I request everyone to please be standing for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
May I request the faculty to please come forward for a photograph, followed by the staff.